Today I'm installing the handles on the IKEA kitchen doors and drawers. As I go through the DIY steps, I'll demonstrate an easy way to make sure all the handles are in perfect alignment. So please stick with me for tips along the way. First thing is to grab the bag of hardware provided by IKEA and attach the clip-in hinges to the doors. Make sure the hinge is completely inserted into the door and then push the latch down and lock the hinge into place. With this done, we now know where the hinges will attach inside the cabinet. Note the hinge has a bar that inserts into here, and this faces the front of the cabinet. Insert the white legs into the corresponding holes the latches will align with top and bottom. With the surface flush to the cabinet, screw them into place. Time to grab the door and click the hinge onto the mating hardware. With all the doors and drawers installed, time to get to work on the handles. First, find the center point of your drawer. Next, grab your IKEA Fixa drill template. Note it has a notch on it to align with your door center point. With the template centered, mark the spots you will drill for the handle attachment fasteners. Once the marking is complete, time to break out the drill. Quick note, you want to keep your drill as level as possible, so when you attach the handles, the fasteners go in straight. Note, I like to keep the protective film on the surface of the doors until I have drilled the holes. For the doors, I aligned the template with the top of the door and marked where I would be drilling and drilled these holes. After the drilling was complete, I grabbed a utility knife to clean up the holes. With this all done, time to remove the protective film and attach the handles. The template is an easy way to have all your handles in a consistent alignment throughout your kitchen. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Please give a comment, a thumbs up, and subscribe.